I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, an API key, and a lightweight HTTP client. First, make a minimal fetch call so you learn the response shape. This avoids wasted architecture work. Use environment variables for the key to keep secrets out of source control. Once done, parse the JSON and log the top-level fields so you know where headlines and articles live. This immediate result guides the next step: shaping parameters for useful queries. Now you expand the request. Set query parameters like keyword, page size, and date range so responses contain only relevant items. You should build a helper that composes the URL and appends the API key securely. Make the call inside try/catch, check response. OK to handle rate limits or auth errors. Once you have JSON, map articles to a simple model title, summary, source, URL, so your UI code consumes consistent fields. This reduces bugs and speeds front-end work. Finish by integrating the mapped results into your app. Render a list with clickable headlines and timestamps formatted for readability. Make sure to cache responses briefly to limit API calls and improve perceived performance. If things go wrong, inspect HTTP status codes. A 401 means credentials, 429 signals rate limiting, and 500 indicates server issues. Retry with exponential backoff. Finally, validate article fields and provide sensible fallbacks so missing data won't break your UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.